Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Flower Store MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click over here and download the MLO. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the MLO which we just installed into our FiveM server, and this is the location in the map over here as you can see. So now let's get inside the MLO. So over here you can see this is a beautiful flower shop MLO which we just installed as you can see. So that's for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.